What value of d would allow g of x equals inverse tangent of x plus d match the graph? Well, let's just say that you don't even know what the inverse tangent looks like. Okay, I know that regular tangent looks like this and goes through the origin. So that's the point 0, 0. Now the inverse is going to also be 0, 0 because I flip-flop them. So according to this picture, regular old inverse tangent is probably going to look something like this where it crosses over 0, 0. Well, now I'm going to take that thing that's supposed to cross over 0, 0 and shift it down a few units. So how many units am I shifting it down? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if d was equal to -4, then my inverse tangent would match that graph down there. And there you have it.